Jai Sri Krishna. In Srimad Bhagavatam 1.1.21, the great sage telling, knowing that the age of Kali is already begun, we are assembled here in this holy place at Nimisaranya to hear the great length of a transcriptional message of Godhead and the way of a perform sacrifice. So here it is mentioned like this: Kali Magana Makyana Khetra Asmi Bhivaswana Bhayam Asina Drigha Sastrana Kathaya Sakhyana Hare. It means here the purport is this age of Kali is not all suitable for self-realization as was Satya Yuga, the golden age, or Treta Yuga or Dwapara Yuga, the silver and copper age. For self-realization, the people in Satya Yuga living a lifetime of 100,000 years, so that they were able to perform prolonged meditation. And in Treta Yuga, when the duration of life was 10,000 years, self-realization was attained by performing great sacrifice or yajna. And in Dwapara Yuga, when the duration of life is thousands years, self-realization was attained by worshipping the Lord. And but in Kali Yuga, the maximum duration of lifespan is 100 years only, and that combines with various difficulty. The recommended process of self-realization is that hearing and chanting the holy name of Lord Sri Krishna or the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The sage of Nimisaranya begins this process in the place meant especially for the devotee of the Lord. They prepare themselves to hear the pastime of Lord over a period of 1,000 years. By the example of this sage, one should learn that regular hearing and recitation of Srimad Bhagavatam is the only way for self-realization. Other attempts are simply waste of time, for they do not give any tangible result. So Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preached this system of Bhagavata Dharma, and when recommended that all these who are born in India should take the responsibility of broadcasting the message of Lord Sri Krishna, primarily the message of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And when one is well established in teaching of Bhagavad Gita, then he can take up the study of Srimad Bhagavatam for further enlightenment in self-realization. So what it is mentioned in this verse, that in the age of Kali, the lifespan of a normal human being is only 100 years. So it is very difficult to get all the very difficult to get self-realization. So the easiest way to get the self-realization is chanting and hearing the holy name of Lord Sri Krishna. And here in this verse it is mentioned that first we need to read Srimad Bhagavad Gita. If one is well established for teaching the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, then one should come to learn or to know Srimad Bhagavatam for further enlightenment of self-realization. Jai Jagannath, Jai Sri Krishna.